guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can see the title, I'm not gonna do makeup tutorial. I'm gonna share my monthly favorite makeup and skincare products. Basically it's June favorite. I don't know if I'm gonna share every month or not, because for me it takes time and extra years to realize that these are gonna be my favorite products. So I thought you guys might be bored to watch makeup tutorials all the time, so why not? Let's try something new. And I have shared should I do monthly favorite or not on my Instagram, and most of you guys said yes. So here is the video, and if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, here is the name. Just go and follow me there for YouTube new ideas and a little bit extra chit chat. So let's not talk too much, which I am doing. And before jumping to the video, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well if you haven't already. So let's get to the video now. So the first product is this Maybelline Newyork Up To 24-hour foundation. So starting off with the packaging, it comes with the standard clear glass bottle with a white cap and a pump dispenser. You can see that. Coming on the shade, they had about 9 shades in this range. I wish that they had more shade. The texture of this product is a bit thick, but it blends easily without any effort, which I love about this product. And it's good for combination to oily skin type. Whenever I wore this foundation, I feel like nothing on my face. It's very lightweight and it's long lasting as well. I have tried a lot of high-end foundation as well, but this foundation worked even better for me. This is affordable foundation than a high-end. For the coverage, it's like medium to full coverage depending on your skin. I have lots of acne, scars and all that, but I think it's not completely full coverage, but it's very lightweight. You can use this foundation in daily basis as well, so I love this foundation. So the next is this butter bronzer from Physician Formula. So I saw the review from Jeffree Star and I really want to try this. I have been using this every single day, guys. It is really long lasting. This bronzer is just like the name. It blends like butter. It smells like coconut, which I don't mind, but if you are too sensitive to strong smelling products for your skin, I would not recommend this for you guys. But other than that, I would recommend this for every single makeup lover or beginner to try this. It's a must-have item. I would buy it 100 times again. Try this bronzer once. Trust me, you won't regret buying this. So yeah, this is my favorite. Then this Lash sensational mascara from Maybelline Newyork. This mascara never smokes. This is a really great drugstore mascara. It makes my lashes look thick and full, but it also adds length, which is good. And if you guys have watched my previous haul video, you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, just go and watch my haul video. I'm gonna put the link below. So if you guys have tried this mascara and you are agree with me, just hit that like button right now. Okay, and then this lightening and darkening drops from Essence. If you guys are someone just like me, I mean, I pick up the wrong foundation shade like most of the time. You should buy this darkening and lightening drops. These are very cheap and works brilliant, guys. When we get tanned and your foundation doesn't match, whether it is high-end or drugstore or whatever, then it's a lifesaver. I can say that. So what do you think about these products, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. I just love this. Another interesting product is this Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara plus Filling Fiber from Essence. So this is my favorite drugstore eyebrow product. It's very inexpensive and long lasting. It is great dupe for Benefit one, this one. It is great for those days when you don't have a lot of time to do your brows. So yeah, amazing product. If you are a beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of money on eyebrows, I mean high-end products or any drugstore product, just go and get it, girl. It is amazing product. It's very inexpensive. I love it and I'm gonna definitely purchase more. Another one is this NYX professional makeup, NYX matte finish fini matte long lasting makeup setting spray. So starting off with the packaging, it's like very lightweight and travel sized bottle, which is amazing. This spray is good and bad at the same time. The good is it sets my makeup, it keeps my makeup from moving throughout the day, and it absorbs like so quickly. But the bad, it's not completely matte and neither dewy. So for me best. For the price, I would say it does a great job, comparable to MAC setting, MAC Fit Plus and Urban Decay All Nighter. If you are someone who does not like completely matte or neither dewy, this is for you, girls. I would definitely recommend for beginners. It's cheap, it sets your makeup, very affordable. So yeah. Then this Jaclynhill eyeshadow palette from Morphe. Look at the beautiful colors. So I just love this palette, so versatile. Eyeshadow blends so nicely and it has a good color story. It is kinda expensive but definitely worth the price. Again, I really think this palette is good for beginners to start because it has all the beautiful shades and you don't need to buy other eyeshadow palette as well. If you love to play colors and to create different looks just like me and want the perfect color, this palette is for you guys. This is one of my favorite palettes so far. I just love the colors, I just love the pigmentation, I just love how it blends, you know. The only thing I don't like about this palette is it's so inconvenient to travel, you know. It's so big. But and these two lipsticks from Milani. One is in the shade 74 Matte Darling and another one is in the shade 82 Matte Drama. These two are my favorite shades from Milani. One is perfect for daily use and another one is perfect for like party and night out. So yeah, Milani is an affordable brand with a great formula. The lipstick goes on very smooth and it gives my lip matte finish. The pigmentation is very nice too and easy to apply. They also smells very nice. Girls, if you can't or don't want to spend money on high ends like MAC or and you are looking for the option, and this is the best options right here. So have you guys tried Milani lipstick or not? If yes or no, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Last but not least, one skincare item. This is a charcoal sea kelp detox mask from Jean Botanics. This mask is good for oily, acne prone and combination skin, and this mask has changed my skin, guys. Very easy to apply but expensive, but worth the price because healthy skin is more important. If you guys have pimples and you are just tired of trying new products, just give it a try for this mask. You won't regret. This mask is everything for me. You can see the difference immediately. I swear by these products. I have used this mask for 3 months and running the second bottle now, and again I'm definitely gonna purchase more. My skin has improved so much, as you guys can see if you guys are watching for me from the beginning, So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. If you do, then please just go and click the like button, leave comment and also subscribe to my channel. That's it. And also if you guys are from Nepal, I'm gonna put the link description box below from where I bought all the products. Don't forget to check. If you are interested to buy or to know more, So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy guys. Bye bye, see ya, I love you.